Welcome to Education Hub for Kids. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for igloo. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for robot. S for sun. T for truck. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Please subscribe our channel for new videos.